Alright, I'm back. This is the same frame, just that it's the deep version, okay? I've made the cuts on the short side. To me, I like this style better. It offers a much deeper floating frame. But I thought I'd just zip through this and show you again how to do it. We're going to take some tape. Press it down. We're going to take this end, slide it down the wood till it makes contact with the table and the tape, and we'll squish it down, and we'll do that 3 times. Exact same process as before. But never hurts to repeat it. Slide it down, make sure that it's lined up so that you can get a nice tight joint. And the final one, well, it's actually the second to last, but before we start gluing, slide it down until it hits the table. Press it into place. Okay, so now you can just fold it up and it'll be nicely set. So we're going to quickly add the glue, same as the last time, and I'll remind you that you don't have to panic about the glue. It stays it doesn't set right away, so it allows you to make some adjustments as needed. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I see. It's stuck in there. Jeez. I guess it doesn't stay moist forever. Do both sides. Again, make sure you cover the entire thing. Don't worry about going over the edges. It's all going to be cleaned up. Very easy to clean up. Good thing I have another bunch of glue in my stockpile. And try not to interrupt this filming. Look. Do the ends right now. And we'll close it up. Exact same process as with the flat version of this frame. Just clean up some of that glue. Now when you're letting this dry, don't let it dry to the table, okay? Yeah, I guess you can ask me, how do I know that that happens? Well, I'm not even gonna bother telling you. I'm gonna assume that you know. All right, so we're going to tighten this up again, just like in the other video. Oops. For my friends outside of Canada, I'm sure you can find these in your local hardware store. I mentioned Canadian Tire last time around, but it occurred to me later that not everybody's from Canada, so you're welcome to come here though. Lots of room, and boy are we friendly. Anyway, okay, so we'll just use the vise now to tighten this up. Check your corners, just make sure that they're flush. And just twist this vise. Let's see if we can give you a better view of what I'm doing here. Sorry about that. Alright, that really squeezes the glue out and makes a real solid joint. Alright, check it for square. Yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me that some of that is redundant, but I just like to make sure that I'm thorough. Now, I'm going to do my water trick here just to remove some of that excess glue so we don't have to spend so much time sanding it. Again, these shop towels, they're awesome. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. Not sponsored by anybody. Okay, so there you have it. Another version of the same frame. My personal preference. I'll let this one dry overnight as well, and then we'll add the backing that's necessary for you to attach your painting. Thanks again.